There are a lot of AI tools out there, but Creativio AI is one special tool for you to have total control over AI generated images. You can use it for your products, you can use it for images generated through AI and make as much changes as you would want to. Welcome to Software Safari. I'm Toby and I'll be taking you through Creativio AI and all that it has to offer. Once you log in with your email and your password, you have the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you can see featured AI tools like text-to-image, product photo shoots, remove background, magic remover. You can also see recent creations that have been created by other users of Creativio AI, from trending to new to top. On the dashboard, you can see AI Studio Creator. You can choose to create. You can check AI magic tools, the animation studio, your agency, your assets, your brand kits, the community feed, personal feed, video trainings, and settings. We will create an image from text. So let's just try prompt. And we can choose how many images we want. You can choose the aspect ratio. You can choose the type of image we want, and you can choose to generate. And you can see 2 AI generated images. You can choose to generate again if we're not satisfied with our initial images. And this time, let's change our style. Pixel art. You can change the lighting. I can also change the composition. Generate image. Next, we take a look at AI magic tools. We have remove background, magic remover, text remover, image enhancer, image to text, search and replace, color changer. We'll take a look at 2. Firstly, we'll take a look at image enhancer. You can use this to enhance images. Let's upload an image. And you can see the before and after the picture has been enhanced. Next, let's take a look at image to text. So now we would upload an image and AI will generate text from that image. Let's use the same image. And we can see the results. We can also take a look at Animation Studio, but this is available if you have the premium version and also the agency. You can always check your assets. You can take a look at your brand kit. I haven't created any brand kit yet. You can take a look at the community feed. And as I mentioned previously, the community feed is to take a look at other images generated by other users of Creativio AI. You can take a look at your personal feed. You can see the images that have already been created using Creativio AI by you. These are the images we created, and this is the image we enhanced. You can take a look at video trainings to help you use Creativio AI very well and to be very efficient when using it. And lastly, you can always change your settings, change any information that's particular to you. And if you have a higher license, you can also take a look at that. Creativio AI is very useful for anyone that wants to enhance their AI image generation process. A link to Creativio AI is in the description of this video. See you next time. Goodbye.